Mid-November is turning out to be one of the strongest AI weeks of the year. Gemini 3, Nano Banana 2, Grok 4.1, everything is dropping back to back. But today, we're talking about the future updates that you absolutely should not miss. The first major update comes straight from Anthropic, and they've just launched their latest flagship model, Claude Opus 4.5. And guys, this model is already turning heads. Early testers are saying that Claude Opus 4.5 beats both Gemini 3 and GPT 4.5 in three major areas: coding, AI agents, and computer control tasks. In fact, developers online are calling it the best coding model they've used so far, even outperforming Gemini 3 in early experiments. Now, to be fair, I haven't personally run deep tests yet, so I won't confirm anything fully. But the community sentiment right now is very strong. Opus 4.5 is looking extremely promising. Just like Gemini 3, this model is paid. But the good news is, you can test it free on platforms like Yep.ai and LM Arena. Both sites allow side-by-side comparison, so you can directly compare Claude Opus 4.5 versus Gemini 3 Pro. And if you want me to do a full comparison, Claude Opus 4.5 versus Gemini 3 Pro, just drop a comment. I'll gladly break it down in a separate video. Moving on to the next update. Black Forest Labs has officially released its brand new model, Flux 2. And the best part? Flux 2 is fully open source, which means you can run it locally on your own PC if you have the hardware. No restrictions, no locked ecosystem, just pure, flexible usage. It's also available online on multiple platforms like Higgsfield, Replicate, and many other AI generation platforms. If you want to run it locally, Higgsfield has the complete setup guide you need. Black Forest Labs has also dropped a detailed breakdown of all Flux 2 variants, features, and technical improvements. You can check that on their official page. Now here's where it gets interesting. Based on early tests, a lot of creators are calling Flux 2 the first real competitor for Nano Banana Pro. Right now, Nano Banana Pro is sitting at the #1 spot for realism and style consistency. But Flux 2's early results and leaked samples look really strong, and honestly, it feels like a proper head-to-head rival. I'm actually planning to make a full comparison video, Flux 2 versus Nano Banana Pro. If you guys want it, just drop me a comment. Now, this next update could be game-changing, especially for creators, writers, and people who feel limited by ChatGPT's increasing restrictions. Ever since GPT 5.1 dropped, the model became way more restricted. And honestly, even I've been facing those limitations while testing it. But there's an important update straight from Sam Altman. On October 14, Sam posted, "In December, as we roll out age gating more fully and as part of our treat adult users like adults principle, we will allow even more, including erotica for verified adults." If this actually happens, it means ChatGPT will finally reduce unnecessary censorship, allow adult users to access mature content responsibly, and compete more strongly with models like Grok, which currently has far fewer restrictions. Since we're talking about Grok, there's good news for X users too. X has launched a new offer where you can activate X Premium for your first month for just $1. This is actually a great deal because Premium gives you blue check verification, monetization eligibility, access to Grok, higher visibility, and creator tools. So if you ever wanted to try Grok or test the premium features, this is the perfect time. And one more spicy update, Grok's next model, Grok 4.2, is expected to roll out this Christmas. What's crazy is this will be just 2 months after Grok 4.1 launched, so we're going to see another rapid upgrade very soon. Let's see what improvements it brings. Better reasoning, better video or image generation, or maybe even fewer restrictions. Time will tell. Now, this next update is actually very unique and super useful for anyone who loves online shopping. OpenAI has rolled out a brand new feature called Shopping Results, and honestly, it might save you hours of research time. Using it is extremely simple. Just open ChatGPT, tap the plus icon, and select Shopping Research. Let me walk you through how it works. First, you enter what you want to buy. For example, I typed best laptop to buy. Then ChatGPT gives you an additional screen with a Get Started button. Click that, and you'll now see budget selection. I selected $500. Use case selection. You can choose what you need it for: work, gaming, editing, etc. I selected work. Product preference preview. It shows categories and types of devices you might want. You can pick or skip, totally optional. After that, ChatGPT starts a full shopping research session based on your selections, and the output you get is seriously well detailed. It gave me a complete list of laptops in my price range, a proper side-by-side comparison, features, pricing, pros and cons, and even direct official website links so I can check reviews myself. This is honestly one of the most helpful features ChatGPT has added in a long time, especially for people who spend hours researching products before buying. Since I personally enjoy online shopping, this feature just saved me so much time. You should definitely try it inside ChatGPT and see how accurate and helpful it is for your use case. Alright guys, now let's talk about something that genuinely feels like the future: Google's Project Astra. This isn't just another AI model. This is Google's attempt to create the first real AI assistant that can see, remember, and react exactly like a human companion. Think of it as the earliest version of a real-life JARVIS. Yeah, it's that crazy. Right now, every AI assistant is blind. They only understand whatever you type or speak. But Astra, it can literally see through your phone's camera in real time. Point your camera at a math problem, a gadget you want to fix, food ingredients, your room, your desk, anything, and just ask, what is this? How do I solve this? Is this working? Astra instantly understands the scene and gives the exact answer. No need to describe anything. If you have the Gemini app on a modern Android device, you might already have early access. Just open Gemini, enter live mode, and if you see a camera icon, you're using the beta version of Astra. If not, the vision features haven't rolled out to your device yet. You can check official demos on Google DeepMind's website and the viral Astra video on X. And trust me, once you watch them, you'll understand why this technology could redefine AI assistants completely. With that, we wrap up this week's AI updates. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which update surprised you the most.